Looking at the Bitcoin analysis for the week on the Bitcoin CME futures chart, which is closed until Sunday 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Looking at the weekly chart on the Bitcoin CME, we have rising Stokes. We have rising volume. Looking at the daily chart, we have a buy signal here. Appears to be getting oversold. 4-hour chart. We triggered a sell signal here, but let's see what happens Sunday. Pre-market order open, which will give us a determination of whether Bitcoin is going to move up or down along with the regular market. I want to look at the weekly chart. Once again, we have rising Stokes. Buy candle, rising volume. I'm looking for a break above 9204. On the daily chart, back in 22 April, we closed above the 21-day EMA, and we are consolidating now. We had a double top earlier last few days ago. We have the golden cross, the 55 EMA that closed above the 100 and 200 EMA. If our current price is 91.96 with 23 hours remaining for the next day candle. If we break below yesterday's low, 92.15, let's see, we go down to this area, 88.26. But I don't worry about the weekend dumps. Our previous weekly trend is up, and if we have a weekend dump, it's typically a continuation of the previous trend. So I'm looking at any move above the previous high of 98.59 next week. If we close on the 4-hour candles, double 4-hour candles, above the previous high, 95.92, 95.34. I'm looking for a double close above the previous high. 99.60 time frame. We close 2 4-hour candles above that previous high. Expect a little bull run, $500 up to 10,500. On the daily, anything below 86.20 time frame price is bearish, and we'll go down to about 8,100. These low prices here. And if we close below the May 9th low here, which is $8,088, we close below that, then I would expect a bearish move down to 7,000. And then we'll look at that again at the 7,000 mark, which is in this price frame here. Looking at the fear greed index, we are at a fear. We're getting more fearful from yesterday. Last week we had a greed index. So on the weekly CMEs, we want to see a bounce off of the 86.50 time frame, the 21 EMA time frame. Any price closing above 89.50 is good. Which is the previous candle, low candle here. So any close above that is bullish. I'm waiting for Sunday, 5 p.m. when the pre-market futures market opens to see whether the following week will be bullish or bearish. I anticipate bullishness. On the 4-hour chart, we triggered a sell signal here, but we've started to consolidate. We want an 8,900 base. So along this area here, we're basing down here near the tops of the previous high candle. So on the 4-hour chart, if we continue this bear candle sell signal here, we want to look at bouncing off the 8,900 area down here, off this 100 moving average. So we'd probably set a buy order here. So I'll put a buy order, limit 8,900. I don't usually trade on the weekends, but assuming that under the 4-hour candle we continue to sell off, I initiated a buy order at 8,900. On the 2-hour chart, here's our sell signal. We've dropped and we've bounced off the 100 EMA. So I would set another buy order over here at the 289.88. So these are our buy orders. We will make another video Sunday night, tomorrow night, around 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which will look at the open market for the Bitcoin futures. Until then, ciao.